Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Blessing Ivy, and if you are stopping by for the first time, you are welcome. And if you have not subscribed, please do subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out my new videos. Today's video, I will share with you simple homemade hair growth, and the things I'll be using is what you can find in your kitchen easily and is everyday use, so you don't need to stress yourself. So keep watching. I'll be using honey, egg, and 3 tablespoons of olive oil. I don't need much of the olive oil, so 3 tablespoons is enough. So the next thing I'll do, I will break the egg and separate the yolk from the white. So I don't need the yolk, I only need the white, so I have to separate them. So I'm using 2 eggs because of the volume of my hair. You can use 1, depends on you. So the next thing I'll do is to stir the egg white very well before adding the other things I need to add. What are the benefits? They have a lot of benefits, and some of the benefits are it repairs damaged hair, and it also reverses hair loss, and it promotes hair growth and fights dandruff. So, and it also removes excess oil from your scalp. So now the egg white is well mixed. As you can see there's difference between before and now. So I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of honey to it and stir. So the next thing I'm doing right now is massaging my hair after I've applied everything. You have to massage your hair very well because you don't want the situation when the mixture will not get to all the part of your hair. So you have to massage and everything will get on it. So after I will comb my hair, I will comb all the hair together and put on my shower cap. I put on the shower cap, but if you don't have shower cap, you can use nylon. So you leave it for 20 to 30 minutes to make sure everything is well set on the hair before washing it. And if you are washing it, don't use warm water or hot water to wash your hair. You have to use cold water because of the egg, so you don't end up having cooked egg on your hair. So you make sure you wash it with cold water, then use your shampoo, and if you have conditioner, if you want to condition, you can condition it and style your hair. That is it. This is my 30 minutes after I've washed it. First thing I do, as you can see, water is still dropping out because I didn't use heat on it. I don't normally use it every time for your scalp, so you can try this. You can try like once in a month or twice in a month. So guys, this is all about this video. Hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. You are free to share also, and leave a comment on the comment section. Tell me what you feel about this video, and if there's any video idea you want me to do, or if you have any question, you can just leave it on the comment section and I will reply to all your questions. So guys, see you next time on my next video. Bye.